In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly add apps to your Google menu in Gmail. This is a really handy feature that can enhance your Gmail experience by integrating productivity tools directly into your email interface. Let's dive right into the steps and make your Gmail even more efficient. First, open your Gmail account, as this is where we'll begin. Once you're in your inbox, direct your attention to the right side panel. You'll notice a small plus icon there. This is your gateway to adding apps. Clicking this icon will open a new side window presenting you with a plethora of app options. It's designed to integrate smoothly with Gmail, offering tools for better calendar management, note-taking, task scheduling, and more. As you click the plus icon, you'll see several app suggestions that you can browse through. There's something for almost every need, and taking a moment to explore these options can give you an insight into new tools that might complement your daily workflows. This browsing feature is a great way to discover apps you may not have originally considered, but that could prove invaluable. However, if you already have a specific app in mind, the process is even simpler. After clicking the plus icon, use the search bar located at the top of the panel to type in the name of the app you're interested in. The search functionality is quick and efficient, giving you results almost instantly. Once you've found the app you want to integrate, just click on the Install button to proceed. It's all streamlined to ensure the installation happens smoothly, letting you get back to work with minimal interruption. Adding apps this way not only enhances your Gmail functionalities, but also keeps you organized within a single platform. This feature supports a seamless workflow, cutting down the need to switch between multiple applications. After installing an app, it will appear in your right-hand panel, making it accessible whenever you need it. For optimal performance, ensure that any app you're adding is compatible with your existing configurations. Most popular apps are designed to work within Gmail's framework, but checking compatibility can prevent potential issues. And there you have it. Within just a few moments, you've expanded the capabilities of your Gmail. This approach can make a significant difference in managing tasks, meetings, and various forms of communication, all from the familiar environment of your inbox. It's a small step that can lead to a more productive digital workspace. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks on optimizing your digital life.